how to fix if the Messenger last seen is not showing or working. So if some of the person's last seen is not showing or is not working, then that might be due to various reason. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the chat section of Messenger, from where you can see the conversation with your friends. So if you tap over the 3-bar horizontal line in the right left upper corner and tap over the settings option in the right hand side, and if you tap over the active status, and if you have turned off this active status, then you may not be able to see the last seen of the person. So similarly, if the person has turned off the active status of them, then you won't be able to see the last seen of the person, or it may not work. This is the first reason. Now the another reason is you need to check your internet connection. So sometimes due to the lack of your internet connection, you won't be able to see the last seen of the person. Whether you have to shut down your notification panel and you have to check whether or not your internet connection is stable. If it's working, then you'll be easily able to see the last seen over there. So you just have to fix your network, and after fixing your network, if it's working, then that's okay. But if it's not working, then the another thing is you just have to go back and you have to open up the apps over here. You can press and hold over Messenger and tap over the I option over here. You can tap over the storage and you can clear the cache, and you can go back and check the last seen may be working easily. That's the thing. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to fix if the Messenger last seen is not showing or working. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.